Beneath the surface of our oceans lies a hidden network connecting our world. This is the Internet's hidden highway. Over 95% of our international traffic travels not through space, but under the ocean. Light through glass beats the latency of satellites. It begins with a strand of pure glass, no thicker than a human hair, sheathed in armor to survive the abyss. Massive cable ships span the globe, laying thousands of kilometers of fiber. Robotic plows bury them in the seabed for ultimate protection. Thousands of meters down, our digital world coexists with the deep. Data pulses through the abyss, in perfect harmony with nature. Inside a fiber, light dances at the edge of physics. Total internal reflection bounces data across oceans in a matter of milliseconds. Threats are everywhere in the deep. A dragging anchor can sever vital links, plunging entire regions into digital darkness. Locating a break thousands of meters deep requires pinpoint precision. On board, technicians perform surgical splices on glass fibers, restoring the global flow of light. This is the invisible web that binds our world together. Hundreds of cable systems spanning every continent, moving rivers of light in milliseconds. The future lies in intelligent networks, where quantum light connects data centers beneath the sea to billions of devices across the globe.